Hi and welcome in another video, and this video title isn't a clickbait. Yes, you can help find a cure for COVID-19, and it's very easy, so let's start with some info about Folding at Home project. Folding at Home is a project by Stanford University that uses distributed computing to perform molecular dynamics simulations of protein dynamics. And its initial focus was on protein folding, but has shifted to more biomedical problems such as Alzheimer's disease, Huntington disease, Ebola virus, breast cancer, P53 and many more. And you can participate by installing a small program on your computer. It will download small amount of data, analyze it, and then return the results to the Stanford researchers. And recently, due to coronavirus outbreak on the 10th of March, Folding at Home team has released an initial wave of projects simulating potentially druggable protein targets from SARS-CoV-2, and that's how you can help and become part of that. First thing is to get the software, so go to the foldingathome.org, and I will put all links in the video description. And click Start Folding on top menu. It should detect your operating system and then display correct version for you. And if not, you can also click the alternative downloads, which will show you all available clients. So for me it's Windows version. Let's download this. So now it's time to install the software, which comes down to clicking the next button a few times. Now you can just start the Folding at Home app. And basically that's it, you're ready to go now. But you can also change some settings, so I will show you what you can change and where. First thing which you can choose is your identity. You can do it, but you don't have to. And if you want, you can code anonymously. You can choose your username, which doesn't need to be unique, and you can change it at any time. Second thing, you can choose a team number. There's many lists, so for example you can go to the official one, which can be down because of current server usage. And you can see there's a list of teams, so you can join any of them by entering the team ID. So for example, I will join a PC Master Race team, so I need to copy the team ID and put it there. You can also get the passkey by clicking the Get a Passkey link there. It will open a web page where you can put your name and email, and you will get your passkey to your provided email account. But the passkey is mostly for users who competing for points, so you don't need this to just help. So now we can click Save, and that's it. Now we are waiting for tasks for our PC, and you will see the progress of your work there. You can also change what research you support. So you have to set this for any disease, because COVID-19 have highest priority now on that setting. And you also have this power slider. You can choose the amount of resources which the Folding@Home app can use. And you can set it so it only uses your computing power when you're at idle, or while I'm working, which will be always on. And that's all settings from the web interface, which is the easier way to control this. But you can also right click on the Folding@Home icon and choose advanced control, which will open the main application window with more informations and settings. You can also choose to fold only on GPU, for example. So you right click on the CPU and click the pause, or you can do it same on a GPU if you want only CPU to be used. But for now I will let both of them working. And now I'm waiting for data to analyze, and it can take some time because of big server usage. Okay, so after about 10-15 minutes I received a job for GPU. CPU is still waiting, but the GPU is processing now. And you can see this in the web panel and also in the application. So GPU is now running, and we are currently at 14% of current job. And you can see that the estimated time is 45 minutes, and we are working on project 11763, and you can click on this and it's doing nothing, but on the web control panel, when you click the GPU, you can see that this project is a coronavirus project, potential drug target. So I can say I'm currently helping to fight the coronavirus. And as you can see, it's very easy to join. And as I told before, there's a big response from PC users worldwide. And it's so big that on 20th March, Dr. Greg Bowman, who's director of Folding@Home, he announced on Twitter that Folding@Home project now has over 470 petaflops of compute power, which is 2 times more than best supercomputer. So let your hardware do something good between your gaming sessions, or even when you are watching videos like this. Thanks for watching. Let me know in comments if you will have any questions or problems with Folding@Home app. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel to help me grow. And of course, wash your hands, stay at home, and see you in next video.